Hi, this is Adriana, and this is Mindset 360 training with Asia Roberts, and this is step 4. And I just watched a powerful video about Mark Hoverson. In this video, he explains how at certain point in his life, he was not only broke, but he was broken as a human being. And through his wife's support, he never gave up, he focused, he visualized all his wealth and promises. He understood what distort reality meant. He believed and lived the word of God. He lived by faith, and faith is the evidence of things not seen, and he understood that. So from being broke, he became a millionaire. He touched hearts of people and he transformed lives. And he continues to do so. He continues to touch hearts all around the world through his legacy of wisdom, by his life experience. And he left all this information in his training, Salomon CEO. And after watching all this, it just makes me want to learn more about him. So if you want to know about Mindset 360, about SalesVision, about this training, Salomon CEO, just go to the link below and it will take you to the website. Thank you for watching. Bye.